The Insight homepage is an adaptive and auto-generated starting point with suggested content, a list of your dashboards and the newsfeed. Aviva Insight empowers you with machine learning minus the IT burden. Just feed your data to the platform and the automated analytics engine takes care of the rest, highlighting any unusual patterns in data through the newsfeed. Find the information you're looking for with the effective search box. Look for assets, keywords or tags. No need to learn tag naming conventions. The ability to manage your assets is critical. An asset in Insight is part of your location hierarchy. This helps to group relevant information around your physical assets, like tags, dashboards, either alarms, but also geolocation and time zones. Display personalized content, dashboards, and graphics for each user from a web browser, a smartphone, or smart TVs on the plant floor. Know what is happening, what has happened, and what is likely to happen with immediate access to relevant data. Unlock your operational data from the control room and make it accessible when and where your people need it. Insight creates a single location for production data, plant KPIs, OEE, asset utilization data, business intelligence gateways, machine learning, and predictive analytics. Share real-time data on how production is tracking against plan. Track production by shift or product code, plant location, and check on the current state by asset. Aviva enables more uptime, throughput, and efficiency by creating an engaged and empowered workforce to investigate root cause analysis and identify areas for continuous improvement. Help your users to act on identified problems with prescriptive actions from the Insight Asset Type Library. In combination with predictive analytics and condition-based alerts, this rich library of asset types supports asset owners in improving asset performance by helping identify failure modes and prescriptive actions. Aviva Insight is easy to use and makes user onboarding simple. There's no need for staff or architecture to maintain Insight, and it gives you 24/7 access to your industrial data. Customers have reported a 30% efficiency improvement using Insight, bridging the IT/OT gap and sharing critical process information with business and finance teams. It literally takes a matter of minutes to set up.